Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last one. Actually, I'm talking to you one-on-one, so this is actually just lady or gentleman. Alright, this is the last one I'm going to work with you, and then you're going to complete the other two on your own. So, I'm going to take the first group, and I see what they have in common. Well, what do they have in common? What's the largest number that will divide 5 and 10? 5. So I know they both have a 5 in common. It's a common factor. And what about my variables? The 5 has 1c and the 10 has 2c. So the most I can take out is just 1c. And this leaves me, if I divide by 5c, it leaves me 1. And if I divide this by 5c, it leaves me minus 2c. So far, so good? Okay, let's look at the second group. I have a 2 and a 4, so what's the largest number that divides both of them? 2. So I write plus 2. How about variables? Are there any variables common in both of them? D. This one has 1d and 1d. So I'm going to pull out one set of d's. Put my parentheses after your factor. I divide by 2d. 2d divided by 2d is 1. I divide this by 2d. And when I divide 4cd divided by 2d, it leaves me minus 2c. Now look what you have here. A set here and a set here. And do they have the same thing in common? Sure. What do they have in common? I take out what is in common. So when I take out what was in common, what does it leave me? 5c. Go to the next group. When I take out what they have in common, what does it leave me? Plus 2d. And that's it. The next two I want you to do on your own. And when you have finished the next two, raise your hand and I'll come around and check it. And once it's correct, I'll give you your homework for tonight.